Learn to make this irresistibly appetizing chicken pot pie that will tantalize your taste buds and have you craving seconds. Chicken pot pie is a recipe that most of us grew up with. It is the epitome of comfort food. The creamy gravy with tender chunks of juicy chicken, crunchy vegetables, surrounded by a golden flaky crust. Oh, it's enough to drive your taste buds wild. So now that we've made ourselves hungry, let's go ahead and make these bad boys. So we're gonna start this recipe by adding flour, salt, and sugar to the bowl. Oh crap, I forgot to press record. Quick recap, so you need flour, sugar, and salt into the bowl. Now cube up a cold stick of butter and add that to the mix. So I'm gonna make light of this and go in with my emulsion blender attachment, but a pastry cutter works as well. Once it looks like wet sand with a few chunks, start drizzling in the cold water. I also like to mix in a splash of vinegar. It makes the crust just so tender. Add just enough water for the dough to come together. Now all that's left is to form it into a ball and throw it into the fridge for 2 hours. We're gonna splash in some olive oil, get the pan nice and hot, then throw in the chicken and let it sizzle. Chicken's done. Let's set that aside and move on to the rich, flavorful gravy. I'm tossing in those fresh spices just for a second to wake them up, then deglaze with chicken stock so you get all that good stuff clinging to the pan. It's flavored gold. Pour in that heavy cream and it transforms into that rich, creamy, and totally soul-warming sauce you can't get enough of. Now I season it up with my signature blend. In a separate pan, whip up a quick roux for some serious thickening power. Go ahead and add that in. Grab the chicken and toss it straight back in so it gets fully covered in gravy. Oh, that's just making my mouth water. Now stir in your mixed vegetables and your filling is ready. Hands pinned surface, let's flour them all. Cut the dough in half and now we got our top and bottom crusts. Roll the dough into a ball. Smash it. And now it's time to roll it out. The secret to get a circle, you roll it, turn it 90 degrees and repeat. Use the rolling pin to move it into the pie pan. And trim off any excess dough. Now it's time to fill her up. Slap on that top crust, brush it with egg wash, and bake for 45 minutes. This pot pie is off the charts delicious and a total breeze to make. However, if you're feeling super lazy, you can go buy a frozen pie crust and call it a day. It'll be a tasty treat either way. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Next up, we are going on a seafood diet. No, not the joke. We are making salmon fillets with orzo pasta. Join me by clicking this link.